Welcome, here I've got OPPO RENO 5 Lite, and let me show you how to manage camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button to open camera settings, and now we have to pick composition. Here we get access to grids and guides, to photo or video, so let me start with photo. When we pick it, we can add to our preview three type of grid lines: standard grid, diagonal lines and gold spiral. So let me turn on grid, and when we move back to camera preview, we get access to these lines on it, and this is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography. Another tap to right corner to composition, to photo, and we can go to diagonal lines. So now the grid lines has changed here in the preview to this type of view, and they are also useful when we want to making experiments with composition at our picture. And let me show you the last one here, so the gold spiral. And now we can see this type of line here with spiral, and of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them or need another type, we have to move back to right corner settings, to composition, to photo grids and guides, and pick whatever we need or just turn them off. And let me show you also that in video we can pick only standard grid. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.